What's up, guys? You out here with the Todd Father and Bebe fishing out here in the Villages, Florida. You already know what it is. We're gonna go ahead and get it started. What are the name of these crankbaits that we got right here?
Azori Jerkbait Minnow.
Azori Jerkbait Minnow, 3D. 3D Azori Jerkbait Minnow. Check it out, guys. Oh, Yo Zori SP 3D Jerkbait Minnow. We're gonna try this out today. We got it on a Sienna Shimano rod.
Azori Minnow 3DS.
I don't really know my stuff, but 6'6" length, medium action, fast. Gonna go ahead out there. I got this little ugly stick reel given to me by Bebe's Fishing right here. Got the drag set pretty low because I got light line. Gonna go out there. Got over here an American Hero, Lowe's American Hero 3 with a Black Max bait caster. Check this out. Might want to be interested in this as well. Check it out. Heavy, power, medium, heavy, action, fast. American Hero. Mac Blacks. I'm getting over here away from there. Get on this water. The water for the fountain. Right on that, yeah. Fish on, motherfucker. Yeah, huh? Yep. Fish on.
I guess you think you can tell fish.